Hey everyone, it's me, Lady V, your favorite garment engineer. Today we're going to go over how to make a pants pattern from Posterboard. So first we need a tape measure to take our measurements. We can do a high waist or low waist. So what we start off with is our natural waist. My natural waist all the way around comes to 36. I'm sorry, it's upside down. Now let's measure our high waist. And that's going to be way above your belly button, about 5 inches from your natural waist. So that measurement will come up to 32 inches. Now make sure you got your notepad out because you need to take these measurements. Now we need to do our front crotch inseam. Definitely important. I'm teaching you this for people who do not have a mannequin. So as you can see, from your belly button or your natural waist to the middle of your crotch area, that will be the measurement for the front inseam. So mine is 10 inches. Okay, so I'll make sure I jot that information down. And then to do my back crotch inseam, which is very important, especially if you have a larger bottom. I would say mine's a bit average, but most black women have a larger tuchus. So from the lower back to the mid seam, we got 15 to 15 and a half inches. Now make sure you measure around your butt as well. I forgot to film that, but around your butt, for myself, I got about 40 inches. All right, so now let's create your pattern. Make sure you have your tape measurement, your markers, your poster board, tape, all that, anything that you feel is necessary. Get that and start putting down your measurements on your actual poster board from your notes. And that's what I'm doing right here. So I'm doing the high-waisted. Put that line in. Then I'm going to do the natural waist. And remember to curve that crotch area. That's that 10-inch area for the front. And don't forget to measure your leg, because you need that from your natural waist to your ankle. And also you can do your ankle measurement, depending on if you wanted a tapered leg or you want it to be a wide leg pant. But that's up to you. Now, being that I only have one poster board, I decided to put the front crotch seam as well as the back crotch seam. So in the end, your thing will look like this, with a lot of markings, the lapel, the pockets, any information, any measurements that you need. So you put it all on this one sheet and then you cut it out and you're good to go. All right, and this is for a standard pattern. Happy creating, everyone.